Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can resend the same email in Gmail. So let's get started. If you've ever sent an email and later needed to send that exact same message again, there's a simple way to do it without rewriting everything from scratch. Most people try to copy and paste the content manually, but there's a much faster method built directly into Gmail. First, open your Gmail account on your computer. This method also works on mobile, but it's easier to demonstrate on desktop. Once you're inside Gmail, go to the left sidebar and click on the Sent folder. This is where all the emails you've previously sent are stored. Now, find the email you want to resend and open it. Instead of copying the content, click on the Forward option. Gmail will automatically create a forwarded version of that message. Here's the important part. Don't just send it as is. Inside the email body, remove any automatically added forwarding text so the message looks clean and original. Then, click the small drop-down arrow near the recipient field and choose Edit Subject. Delete the forward text so only the original subject line remains. This makes the email appear like a brand new message instead of a forwarded one. Next, enter the recipient's email address again. Double-check everything to make sure it looks correct and professional. Once you're ready, click Send. That's it. Your message will now be delivered as a fresh email even though you reused the original content. This saves time and keeps your workflow efficient. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.